Hey guys, a lot of people ask question, can we use rear view camera when we are backing up in our test? Yes, you're allowed to use the camera in your test, but you have to make sure that same time you will check your surroundings. A lot of people, they fail in their test because they just look like this and they try to park. Examiner not gonna accept that and it's gonna be a fail. Why we have to check our surroundings? So might be there is a car beside you and some kids are sitting in the car and they all of a sudden can open the door and they can start running. So we have to make sure that we will check our surroundings properly, both sides. We have to move our chin to shoulder. We have to check our blind spots. We have to check our rear view mirror, and then we can look into the camera as well. There is no problem to check rear view camera when you're backing up, but you have to same time make sure that you will check your surroundings too. Don't just focus here and try to park. It's a straight fail. So take your time, go slow. A lot of people, they go fast and they lost control as well. So go slow, check your surroundings, check your rear view mirror, and then you can look into the camera as well. Put in park and then turn on the parking brake.